Today we are going to learn how we can convert a Excel file into MySQL with the help of VI editor. So let's start. So there is a file. Scale. So first of all, we select all the data from Excel file and copy it. Simply we paste it into VI editor. Now we set list so we can see what is the special character between the terms. So we can see that editorials from the editor disk and plastic are separated by tabs. So this is the symbol of tab. So here, with the help of regular expression, we can capture each cell of Excel and can create a query for MySQL. So let's start. So we go to the command mode of VI editor and type command :modulus s. There is a command to replace data in VI. So first we capture the all cells, first, second, third, fourth and fifth. Okay, so there is a regular expression which will capture each cell data. Dot star slash second tab, so we can just copy paste it. So there is a issues.sql. So we want to this. Before now, first which we have captured will come into category column. Second cell will be the name. So we can see here category, title, subtitle, author name and link. So insert into magazine is going to see category first. So that is the first. Title is second. Name is second. Subtitle is third. Author is fourth. And link is fifth. And now we can /g. We want to replace all the lines with this command. So now enter. Now some mistakes are here. Let's see. Zoom. So all cells is converted into the MySQL query. Set into this, and editorial is the first column, from the editor's disk second, plastic third, is the author and is the link. Now we can remove the base URL from all the links. So for that we want to replace it with blank. All the lines. Now we want to remove the query parameter part, just like that. Yes. So again we are using regular expression dot star. This we want to replace it by boom. So this is our final MySQL file. We can import it into MySQL with the command MySQL. So here is our SQL file from CSV. Where is our CSV? This is the CSV file. Not CSV, it is Excel file. So thanks for watching.